Good morning and Jai Hind, बच्चा. Good morning and Jai Hind. Good morning and Jai Hind, Sakshar. If I'm audible, बच्चा, if I'm properly audible, please tell me. So we can start the class if I'm properly audible to you. Good morning Shweta, good morning Hari, good morning Rishabh Sonkar, Jitendra Gupta, Vibhu Pandey, good morning. I thought to take the live classes today after so many long time that I don't remember that when last we had taken the live classes on YouTube. Ritu Pathak, Jitendra Gupta, chalo ji, very good. So bacha, you keep asking the question in the comment box if you have the doubt anywhere. Prakhar Singh, good morning. Okay bacha, so I'm just starting the today's topic, and the today's topic is a very simple one. Already we discussed that, but one error in the trial balance is there. That is what? Error of principle. Okay. So error of principle, basically what error of principle is there? Simple thing. Because sometime what's happened na, because of rules and regulation, we posted the wrong account. Then that type of error is known as error of principle. That type of error is known as error of principle. Okay, bacha. Sir, example. Acha, tell me, Tushar, Nancy, good afternoon. Tell me guys, I'm just telling you one entry. You tell me in the comment box. I'm just telling one entry to you. Machine purchase 5,000. Machine purchase 5,000. Installation charge 200. Tell me the entry of this transaction. Machine purchase 500. Installation charge 200. Tell me the entry of this transaction. Fast. Who will tell? देखो बच्चा, वेरी सिंपल. हाँ तुषार, यस तुषार, चलो ट्राई इट. मशीनरी अकाउंट डेबिट 700. आर्यन, नो आर्यन, यू आर रॉन्ग. मशीनरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश, वेरी गुड. देखो सिंपल थिंग इज देयर. वी परचेज मशीन 5,000 and installation charge we paid 200. Okay, so what the rule is saying? Rule is simple, that whenever we are paying any expenses on purchase of any assets, before its use, before its installation, that will be add back to that particular assets account. So what people generally do the mistake, they pass the entry like this: machinery account debit 5,000, installation charge account debit 200, to cash account 5,200. The common mistake what the persons are doing is this one, but this is a wrong practice. What should be right? So what should be right, bacha? What I told you, on the time of purchasing of any assets, if person paid any expenses related with that assets, before its use, before its installation, by making that assets in the working condition, all expenses will be add back to that machinery. So what will be the right entry for this? Machinery account debit 5200. 5000 machine value, 200 installation value. Total is 5200. To cash account 5200. So this is the right entry. Now what is the principle of error? Instead of machinery account, if someone open the installation charge account separately, that is the error of principle. Okay बच्चा, that is the error of principle. कि अगर आपने मशीन अकाउंट की जगह इंस्टॉलेशन अकाउंट सेपरेट खोल लिया, नॉट फॉलोइंग द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन, it is a rule of capital expenditure, so it will be a type of error of principle. So trial balance cannot identify this type of error also, because in debit 5200 should come, and bacha, as you can see that already in debit 5200 is passed. So 5200 is in debit, 5200 is in credit, both are coming equal. When both are coming equal, it means it is very simple. It is very simple that debit is equal to credit. Debit is equal to credit. Getting my point? So when debit is equal to credit, trial balance will not affect by this particular transaction. Shivam, good morning. Good morning, Kriti. So now guys, if you have any problem related with this, you can please ask. You can please ask in the comment box. I'm waiting for your answer. The next chapter, we are going to start the BRS. BRS. The BRS meaning is very simple, bacha. BRS meaning is what? First, you understand the full form of BRS. B stand for bank. R stand for reconciliation. And S stand for statement. Bank reconciliation statement. Anyone having any problem, you can ask, bacha. No issue is there. Okay. So this is the first question, that what is the full form of BRS? It is bank reconciliation statement. Okay, Shivam Tiwari, very good. अच्छा, अब now बच्चा, what is BRS use? देखो, whenever a person, a very smart person who have the account in SBI, the person went to the bank, open account. And now all bank transaction the person is doing through SBI only. Why we prepare the bank reconciliation statement? देखो, this person will prepare cash book for all the transaction of bank paid. Kumar, yes, good morning, bacha. All the transaction which is paid by person, which is received by person of the banking transaction, the person is recorded in cash book bank column. Bank column. In bank column debit side, the person record all the receipt, and the bank column credit side, the person record all the payment. First, this much is clear or not? You tell me guys in the comment box. I am waiting for your question. Ki, what is the full form of BRS? BRS, when the person have a bank account and person is doing a transaction, then only the persons are preparing the BRS. All the bank transaction, the persons are recorded in their cash book bank column. bank column debit is recorded all the receipt, and bank column credit is recorded all the payment. If this much is clear to you, then you tell me, guys, so I can proceed for the other things. Very good, Tushar, Jitendra Gupta. I want the answer from everyone that it is clear and not clear. Shivam Tiwari, very good. Very good, bhai, very good. Chalo, it is enough. Acha, bank will also maintain your transactions. Bank will also maintain transaction. Acha, where bank is recording the transaction? Suryans, very good bacha, very good Prakhar. Tell me, guys, in the comment box that where the banks are recording your transaction. Is bank is giving any book to you also where banks are recording the transactions? If you are knowing that name of the book, you tell me. You tell me in the comment box. I'm watching your comments. That bank also maintain. Yeah, very good, Shivam. Very good. It is what, bacha? It is passbook. It is what, bacha? It is passbook. Bank also maintain the transactions, but in the passbook. So as the businessman is preparing the cash book, bank also prepared the passbook. Okay? Acha. So here one concept come out. What? That cash book is prepared by customer. Cash book is prepared by the customer and passbook is prepared by bank. Passbook is prepared by bank. Janvi Vajpayee is a new student. Chalo bachcha, very good Aryan, very good Shivam, very good Jitendra, Prakhar, Rajiv means Suryans is there. Okay bachcha, so this particular point please keep it in your mind that that the cash book is prepared by customer and passbook is prepared by bank. Sometime it's happened that there is a difference between cash book and passbook. Is it possible or not that sometime what we record will be totally different from the passbook? Something is recorded in passbook but we are not aware about that and we not recorded that, and because of that difference are coming. It can be a not. Tell me guys that between cash book and passbook, difference can come or not? Difference can come or not? Tell me guys fast. Nancy, very good. अच्छा बच्चा देखो, we will study, we will learn, we will discuss that why, what are the reasons why the cash book is showing a different balance, passbook is showing a different balance. But you keep it in your one thing in your mind that yes sir, cash book and passbook both can show a different balance. Because cash book is prepared by a different person, passbook is prepared by a different person. So sometime a person recorded but not informed to other person. Like suppose I and Aryan, I am preparing a particular book, Aryan is also preparing the same type of particular book. I recorded anything but not informed to Aryan. So Aryan is not aware about that. When Aryan is not aware about that, how can Aryan record that transaction in the particular book? So I had recorded but Aryan not recorded. Difference will come. Similarly, suppose Aryan recorded any transaction but not informed to me. So difference can come. So yes sir, difference can come between cash book and passbook, and the reason is very simple. Cash book is prepared by customer, passbook is prepared by bank, and sometime because of time gap, because of wrong account, because of errors, the differences can come. The differences can come. And BRS is there for this particular transaction. अब बच्चा, the need of BRS is very simple. BRS is there to identify the reason of difference between passbook and cash book. Okay, so what is the need of BRS bacha? BRS need is very simple. It is identify the reason of difference between passbook and cash book. Acha, you guys tell me any reason. If you having any idea, because I told you na, that you please go and study the BRS. So tell me any reason that how the differences between passbook and cash book can come. How the differences can come between passbook and cash book. Number 1, check issued but not presented for payment. Guys, it is kept in your mind that whenever I use the word cash book, that will click in your mind कि cash book is prepared by customer. I have to write down every time. When I write down passbook, it is already clicked in your mind that because of when it is there because of a passbook, so passbook is prepared by bank. So you just keep this thing in your mind that cash book is prepared by customer and passbook is prepared by bank. Now you just go for the first reason. Check issued but not presented for payment. Bacha, this is our cash book and this is our passbook. When we issued the check, we deduct in the cash book. I will give it the whole particular things in your group. You go write down in your copy, remember that, and after that remembering that will help to solve the question. So check issued but not presented for payment. We issued the check, so we deduct the book, but there is no effect in the passbook. Why? Because nobody come in the bank for taking the payment. So we deducted because we issued the check, but bank will not affect because nobody come for the payment. This is the first reason. Second, check deposited but not collected. Bacha, this is your cash book and this is your passbook. When we deposit the check, we increase our cash book, but there is no effect in the passbook because nothing is collected by bank. So this is also the reason which make the difference. Here cash book will show the less balance, here cash book will show the more balance. Okay. Acha, sometime it's also happened that transactions only recorded by bank. Sometime transaction happen that transaction is only recorded by bank and bank not inform. Bank record the transaction. And not inform to customer. Customer means account holder. Like Like Nancy said, interest charge by bank. अब बच्चा passbook and cash book. When bank charge the interest, bank deduct your passbook but not informed to you. So in cash book no effect will be there, and because of this the differences will come. Second बच्चा, it is second one is what? Interest and dividend collected by bank. Interest and dividend collected by bank. अब बच्चा passbook and cash book, bank collect the interest and dividend, so bank will increase your passbook but no information to you, so not affected. Okay, so passbook and cash book will not show the equal balance. Guys, tell me, guys, you please tell me that this particular 2 point is clear to you or not, that how the differences are coming between the passbook and cash book when bank only record the transactions. I am waiting for your answer. Number 3, देखो बच्चा, very famous, a customer directly deposited the amount in our bank account, no information to us. No information to us. अब बच्चा देखो, this is our passbook prepared by bank, this is our cash book prepared by businessman. What happened? That the customer went to the bank, deposit the money in our bank account, but no information to us. So in our account no effect, but our passbook will increase. Cash book and passbook will not show the equal balance. Similarly, bank recorded the transaction in the debit side, bank recorded the transaction in the credit side, but not informed to us. And the third one is difference because of error. Because of error, how the differences are coming, bacha, that you have to see. देखो, sometime what happened, that on the time of recording, देखो, on the time of recording, wrong amount recorded. Sometime on the time of recording, the wrong amount recorded. How so? Bacha, customer deposited, see this, a customer deposited ₹5,000 in our account and informed to us, but we recorded as 50,000. देखो बच्चा, a customer deposited 5,000 in our account and we record 50,000. Then बच्चा, bank will increase, passbook will increase, bank will increase by 5,000, but we increase our cash book by 50,000. So both are equal? No. So difference will come. Okay, tell me बच्चा, sometime bank bank record the transactions, bank or cash book record the transaction in a wrong side. Bank record the transaction in wrong side. It means transaction should be recorded in debit, but passbook record this transaction in the credit. Okay, but in cash book bacha, it is recorded in the right side. So the difference will always come. Difference will always come. So these are the reasons why the BRS have the difference of passbook and cash book. These are the reason why the differences are coming between passbook and cash book. So bacha, if you understand this, देखो, it is a live class. It is a live class, and as you know that in the Premiere I didn't said to anyone that you do the like or not, but whenever I'm taking the live classes, you are knowing my funda, that if how many likes are coming, that will tell you the things are clear or not. The things are clear or not. So I'm just taking the live classes. So tell me guys that whatever I covered, whether it is the error of principle, whether it is the meaning of BRS, whether it is a need of BRS, why the differences are coming, what are the causes, which are the reason for differences between BRS. If all things are clear to you, you guys tell me by your likes. If 16 is watching and 4 likes are there, it means it is a huge gap. It is a huge gap. Dekho, your likes na motivate us to take the live classes and live sessions. Because if I'm taking something and it is clear to you, then it will a very beneficial situation for you both. Learning is something which is a two-way process. Learning is something which is a two-way process, two-way communication. So when you are asking the question, I can understand that okay, you are in the position to understand and to ask the question. When you are asking the question, it means you are focused what is going on. So your active participation are telling us that you guys are interested and you guys are watching seriously. So guys, just tell me by your likes that how many of you understand that, and if it is not like, it means that still you have somewhere the problem. So you guys can ask me that in what point you have problem, so I can explain you, I can clear your doubt. So 2 minutes for doubt clearing session. You please ask if you feel any problem at any point, if you have any reason in your mind, he said this can come as a difference between passbook and cash book, this reason can bring the differences between passbook or cash book. So you can ask, don't wait for that, you just ask the question. Please guys, still 3 persons are there, because 15 is watching and 12 likes are there. It means still 3 persons are there who have some confusion. So I am welcoming the question from all that 3 person. If you not understand, you can ask question bacha. Otherwise it's okay. Thank you very much for your kind support. Keep asking the question, keep studying, keep doing hard work. Thank you very much. We will have the BST live classes also on YouTube, so be ready for that also. Thank you.